everybody, it's me, Miss Foot Fixer. Hope you guys are all well. We have this wonderful patient here with a little bit of fungal infection. There's some discoloration on the third toe. Patient was referred back to the dermatologist, and the dermatologist wasn't really worried about these dark discoloration. So we're just going to remove them, and hopefully they will grow back thinner and more normal. We've done a local anesthetic. We've done around 4 mils of local anesthetic in the toe. So what I'm using right now, this is called an elevator. I'm just putting it underneath the nail. I'm just going to pop out the nail really, really easily. So nail surgery, once you've done hundreds of them, is relatively easy to do. The tools that we have, so these are forceps. Allow us to grip the nail. Take that. Ideally want to have everything pulled in one go. There we go. Nail plate. There. Just a little bit of debris here, so I'm going to pull that back. And just a little bit here. Just look inside, just a little bit more in here. Just a little bit of nail plate there. Yeah, there we go. Check, is that still a little bit there? Yeah, there we go. Just grab that bit out. Always be thorough, because if you leave any residue of old nail there, then it can harbor the infection. I'm just going to use my 15 blade and just do a little bit of debridement. Good. So when you have pigmentation like this, you're looking for Hutchinson kind of sign where the nail root has some discoloration, especially in a Caucasian individual. They shouldn't really develop a really dark pigmentation. Sometimes fungal infections can lead to dark pigmentation like this, but like I said, the dermatologist wasn't really worried about that. Just going to push this down. You okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. This is a lot more softer. So it's not involved in the nail matrix, which is that white bit there, which is good. So hopefully it is just a bit of fungus that's causing the thickening and pigmentation. And have a look what's going on here. A little bit of damage. Let's have a look at the root. Excellent. Just a little bit of superficial. Very superficial deployment. Voila! So we're just gonna get the dressing ready. So tunica on of time. So if you look at the third toe itself, the nail bed is a lot more smaller compared to the others. So that could be an indication. Well, that is an indication that there's a significant amount of damage on the nail bed, and it shrunk the tissue around it, the nail bed tissue. So when I removed the nail plate was quite loose from the nail bed, indicating that the nail plate is lifted from the nail bed, which means it wasn't really attached. So issue with those things is that the nail plate may never really fully grow out normal, even with nail surgery. So we'll just have to now wait and see. We'll see this patient within usually 24 to 48 hours. We'll have a massive dressing on because these things do bleed. You can see already that when I put the dressing on, there was some bleeding, and that's fine because we're all supposed to bleed. And the main thing is that we actually dress it in enough so it kind of prevents bleed through. So just putting it like this, because you're never going to put a shoe on. These tapes are so amazing, they're stuck to my gloves. And usually after this video, because taping is so interesting to see, we tape a little bit more to secure it. So this is just preliminary taping because I need to go do exercise and everything like that, which my assistant Saha will be doing. Say hello everybody, Saha.
Hi.
Do you want to say hi?
Hi.
Excellent. So fantastic. There'll be more taping around to secure it.